In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter an expense in Zoho Books, a straightforward process that helps you efficiently manage your business finances. Zoho Books is a powerful tool that enables you to keep track of your expenses, and by the end of this video, you'll be confident in entering all your business expenditures with ease. First, let's head over to the Zoho Books application. Start by signing into your account if you haven't done so already. Once you're in, you'll want to navigate to the dashboard. Here, you are greeted by a robust interface designed to give you an overview of your financial status. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with all the features available to you. Next up, let's click on the Purchases module. You can find it in the left-hand menu. This section houses everything related to your purchasing activities, allowing you to access and manage purchase orders, bills, and of course, expenses. After selecting Purchases, find and click on Expenses. This will direct you to a page where you can see all the expenses you've logged. Now, to add a new expense, look for the New button, typically located in the top right corner of the interface. Click on it. Once you do, you'll see an option that says Record Expense. This is your cue to dive into the details of your expense. Begin by setting the location of the expense, which might be useful if you manage expenses for multiple offices or locations. Following this, click on Date to specify when the expense was incurred. Be precise with your dates so that your financial records remain accurate. Now, move on to Expense Account. Generally, this is where you assign the expense to the correct category, ensuring it appears under the right line in your financial statements. Clicking on this option will open a drop-down menu with various categories to choose from. The next element to attend to is Amount. Enter the exact figure of the expense here. Make sure to verify the amount to avoid any discrepancies in reporting. Right beside this, there's an Amount Is field where you can specify if the amount entered includes tax or if it's a pre-tax number. After that, there's the Paid Through section. This field is where you log how the expense was paid. Was it through your company bank account, credit card, or maybe petty cash? Choose the appropriate option to ensure your cash flow records stay up to date. Don't forget the tax section if you need to account for taxes associated with the expense. If applicable, make sure you enable Use Tax, which may vary depending on your jurisdiction. Enter the tax amount carefully to ensure compliance with local laws. As you near the finish line, you'll want to enter information about the vendor. This might be the name of a store or service provider. It's crucial for referencing and future audits that may arise. We're almost done. The last field to pay attention to is Reference. Here, you might input a receipt number or any identifier that can help you link back to the original transaction if needed. Finally, take a deep breath and review all the details you've entered. If everything looks good and accurate, click Save to finalize this entry, or Save in New if you're ready to enter another expense right away. And there you have it. You've successfully entered an expense into Zoho Books. Keep practicing these steps, and managing your business finances will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your books balanced and your finances in check.